Did you know that the concept of carb cycling is becoming more common nowadays? It is a dietary approach that alternates between high and low intakes of carbohydrates. Want to know an effective way to improve your health and support an active lifestyle? Carb cycling is a whole new diet strategy that easily beats any other diet plans out there. When people switch between high and low carb days, they can easily synchronize carbohydrate intake with physical activity for better results. Let me ask you a question. What is the first thing that comes to mind when you think of weight loss diet plans? Restricting the intake of carbs, or eliminating them entirely? What if I tell you a number of the world's top athletes and bodybuilders can get in their best physical condition fast, even with carbs in their diet? Want to know the secret weapon used by them? Then you need to check this out. Believe it or not, there are so many people suffering from overly restrictive diet. But here's the good news. With this diet strategy, you can still enjoy carb-rich meals from time to time. You can still take carbs in your diet, not just that, you also don't have to sacrifice muscle when burning fat, and a long list of other amazing benefits. This is the real solution to those that want to lose weight fast, boost athletic performance, or break through weight loss plateau. Recently, I've been sharing with you about the carb cycling for weight loss. In case you haven't got it yet, I highly encourage you to get it right now. Have you ever heard of people saying you can only build muscle or lose fat, and never at the same time? Because you must maintain a calorie deficit to lose fat and a calorie surplus to build muscle. However, this is not the case for carb cycling. This nutrition strategy has become a hot topic over the last number of years. This diet plan is the ultimate method for rapid fat loss while building muscle. Want to lose weight without overly restrictive diet? I highly encourage you to check this out. This high-level nutrition strategy is perfect for people who are desperate for information on how to lose weight and keep it off. Want to try out this effective method of weight loss? Then this is for you. Here is your roadmap to rapid weight loss. Any later than that, you don't get to see it again, and your future depends on it. When was the last time you tried out an effective diet for weight loss? How did you do? Did you get your desired result? Are you taking the right steps and doing the right thing for rapid weight loss? Want to say goodbye to those flabby fats? All you have to do is to apply what you learned from the carb cycling for weight loss. Don't wait. It's time to put an end to all the suffering and struggles for your dream physique. Get instant access to carb cycling for weight loss right now. All you have to do is to implement the 10 strategies revealed in this blueprint for the next 60 days. And if you don't see any improvement in your life, simply return your order within 60 days. And I will give you 100% money back guarantee, no questions asked.